be it personal insurance or loans for homes, businesses, commercial purposes, or anything else, Global Finance has you covered. Welcome to another episode of Business Profiles on Sevenz TV. Today, we're going to meet the CEO of Global Finance, Mr. Ajay Kumar, and he's going to take us through the journey. So let's get to know it. Hi Ajay, it's great to have you on the show, and we're really looking forward to know about the journey of Global Finance.
Thank you, Bharati. I'm really grateful to Sevenz TV, who gave me an opportunity to share my story. I hope that my story will be an inspiration to all the entrepreneurs and your viewers.
What is Global Finance and how did this all begin?
Global Finance is a licensed by FMA, a financial service provider. It begins in 1999. The reason of starting Global Finance, I'm a banker since 1976. When I migrated to this country, I find there very little education, and particularly I find that Indian community is facing a lot of problems in arranging the finance from banks and also in having the understanding of these products because they are a little complex for them. Communication is a bigger problem also. So when I find there is a gap, I started Global Finance with the sole intention to serve the community, to serve the people who need home loans, business loans, commercial loans, insurances, but in a very simplified and straightforward manner.
So who are the prime customers of Global Finance?
My prime customers are mom and dad who are interested to buy houses for own living, for investment properties, buying businesses, buying commercial properties, and they would like to protect themselves and their families.
So Ajay, what's very special about Global Finance? What is your USP?
Our USP is a mortgage genius plan. In fact, whenever anybody takes loan, they have two components. One is the loan which they have taken to repay, and then the interest on that. They do not know how to reduce the interest. They understand whatever bank has said, it is final, but that is not true. Everybody has different circumstances and different situations. We invented mortgage genius plan, which we are using for the last 20 years. And we find that it is immensely beneficial to thousands of customers. They are able to save their interest. They are able to make their houses and businesses mortgage free sooner without having much burden on them. At the same time, when they take insurance, they expect at claim time no hassle. And Global Finance is specialized that at the time of claim, customers don't feel any hesitation. Whatever promise has been made, it must be fulfilled, providing they are making claim according to the terms and conditions of the policy.
Ajay, I see a room full of awards. What do you think is your main key motivation and inspiration to run this business?
Satisfaction of the customers. They enjoy when they feel they have bought the house or they bought business which they are dreaming. They enjoy. And they feel satisfied, they feel happy, their whole family feel happy, and it gives me a lot of satisfaction. In fact, I enjoy their satisfaction. I see happiness on their family, on their faces. It gives me a lot of satisfaction and a lot of motivation also at the same time by seeing their success. Their success is my success.
So how do you feel having a room full of awards?
It is benchmarking. What we do, we compare ourselves with others. And when we won top awards, like first winner in most of the categories when we participate, it tells us that your business is good, but you have more responsibility now because you are in the limelight, being award winner. So you have to continuously improve. And these awards and the past achievement, but future is continuously improve so that we can fulfill aspiration and expectation of my customers.
What are the key challenges that you're facing, Ajay?
Challenges changes from time to time. It is not constant and continuous every time. In the last 23 years of our journey, we find many challenges which we overcome successfully, like global financial crisis, pandemic. But currently the challenge is finding the trained manpower. We don't find good people who are fully dedicated to provide services in the field of credit, insurance to the customer, and they have a same goal what the company has. We need people who have the same goal as the company goals, because we are in the industry of serving the customer, and customer is our God. Customer is the backbone of this company. In fact, honestly speaking, I don't own this company. You may be feeling that I'm owning this company, but that is not true. My customer owns this company.
Ajay, how important it is for you to hire your staff, and why do you give so much of importance?
It is extremely important to hire a suitable person. In fact, we deal in finance, which is highly sensitive. We don't deal in $2 or $4. Actually, we deal in millions of dollars. People have mortgages, insurance cover in millions, and any minor mistake can create a big loss to the customer. So we expect from our staff that they should be very, very customer focused. They should be competent also. They are adequately trained also, and they have an intention to serve the customer, as which is the company goal also. So we pay a lot of importance in choosing the staff, and to ensure that once they are chosen and they are trained, they provide excellent services to the customer also. As I said in previous questions, that customer is the backbone of this company.
So Ajay, how do customers get to know about your organization?
I have a wide network of customers now, more than 7,000 customers now. So we get repeat business. They refer to their friends and families because they are very happy with our services. And we also advertised on various platforms.
Ajay, how do you think that Global Finance saves the interest for the customers?
Yeah, we have developed a mortgage genius plan, which is our ESP, and it is successfully implemented in thousands of customers. In fact, the basic concept about mortgage genius plan is, if suppose two persons takes loan, maybe the same amount of loan, same rate of interest, same repayment, but their income can be different, their expenses can be different, their savings can be different, their circumstances can be different, their goals can be different. But still, you will find that in the market, if it is a home loan, generally it is 30 years or 25 years. But their capacity to finish the loan is not same. They have different scenarios. So we invented a plan which is called Mortgage Genius Plan. And through that Mortgage Genius Plan, we can measure that how soon this customer can finish the loan and how much interest and time can save. And we put in writing all these things and explain and take responsibility and accountability for that also. And we find in the last 23 years, it is very good, successfully implemented in thousands of cases, and people are immensely benefited through our Mortgage Genius Plan. And which is a unique thing, and we provide this service to everyone whosoever desires from us.
Ajay, this company has grown immensely. How do you feel about it?
I'm happy, but main credit of growth goes to my customers and to my staff who are very hardworking. To my family also, they allowed me to work hard, and to banks and insurance companies and regulator also. They also supported us a lot, and they provided full support from time to time, because without the support of banks, insurance company, regulators, we can't continue in business.
Can you tell us a little about the number of offices and the size of your employees?
We have 4 offices, 3 in Auckland and 1 in Tauranga, and I have a team of 45 advisors who are well trained, educated, and fully dedicated to provide an excellent outcome to our customers.
Your future goals and aspirations?
Our future goals remain the same, that to serve the customers, to have more branches, to have a more trained staff, and to ensure that community is happy. We are here to serve the community, we are here to serve the people, and we like to improve our customer service level further higher and higher, so that it meets high standards and a high expectation of our customers also, and our staff also, and our regulator also now, and the banks and insurance companies who support it, and as well as to the media also, because they played a vital role, in fact, in growing this company and carrying the passing message to the audience.
How do you see Global Finance in the next 5 years, 10 years from now?
It will definitely be much bigger than what it is today. It will be having more offices, it will be having a more staff, it will be having more customers, and it might be providing more products which is needed by the customers. It has a bright future, in fact. We have intention and goal that this company should be known not in Auckland but in the entire nation, and we have been granted even the license by the Financial Market Authority to work as an independent financial advice provider, and which is a great boost and support to us.
Ajay, with the experience and expertise you have gained over the years, what would be the advice you like to give to the upcoming entrepreneurs?
The first advice that you should focus only in that area where you have expertise. The second, don't reach to the conclusion overnight. Don't expect that result will come immediately as soon as you start your business. It takes time, so it is better to have patience. You have a focus on your goals, you have determination, you have planning, and you will achieve success. It is definitely possible.
This has surely been a very inspirational episode, knowing the journey of global finance. Now we know where to come for our insurance and financial needs. So keep an eye out on Sevenz TV for more such exciting episodes. Until next time, this is Bharati signing out.